Hello, my name is Jessica Brooks, and this is a presentation on the SIRS Discoverer database, how to use it, when to use it, and why we should use it. This video is being created for Branciforte teachers as an introduction to the SIRS Discoverer database, and I hope that you will consider using SIRS Discoverer as an educator and in your classroom. ProQuest SIRS Discoverer is a database that has been gifted to us from the California State Library. It is a multidisciplinary database for elementary and middle school learners, researchers, and educators, and it covers curriculum areas such as current events, history, health, language arts, math, science, social studies, and technology. All of the magazine, newspaper, and reference content is 100% full text. It's also editorially selected and indexed from over 2,000 reliable, high-quality domestic and international sources. The collection includes 9,000 integrated educational web links and reference materials such as the Compton's by Britannica Encyclopedia and DK Eyewitness books. To get to the ProQuest databases and SIRS Discoverer, you go to the library website, which I hope you will bookmark and refer to often. When you are there, you will click on Research. From there, you will get a drop-down menu and you will click on the last option, ProQuest Databases. And finally, you will click on the SIRS Discoverer. The SIRS Discoverer database has a very attractive layout that is easy to use and easy to browse and search for information. It does feature easy access to most used content and features, and it has age-appropriate search and filter capabilities as well. The simplest way to get information from the SIRS Discoverer database is to use the search bar and click the magnifying glass right here. When you are searching, there will be auto prediction for matching keywords and helpful search terms for the user. This comes in handy for students as well as teachers. There is also a feature that I very much appreciate called the advanced search. This advanced search, which is laid out in a very clear way, allows the user to narrow and refine their results with Boolean search terms. Students and teachers can practice doing this to find ways to refine their searches for information that is best suited to their needs. Here is an example of an advanced search with the Boolean search terms. Many 6th grade students are interested in learning more about mummies in ancient Egypt, so we've filled in ancient Egypt here, and mummies, not cats. This will refine our search to focus on the mummies of people. You can also adjust the range, the grade level, and the lexile level. So I've checked 4th, 5th, and 6th grade, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th grade to get results that are suited to our 6th graders. The results page shows different ways that this information can be sorted. Right now, we are sorting with the lexile level of 740 to 1120, as I specified in the search. It is being sorted by relevance, which means that these are the articles that are most searched, but you can also sort by date, meaning the most recent article, or by lexile level, high to low or low to high. You can refine your search by source type, and you can continue to sort your search by grade level. The user features for interacting with the results are easy to find and easy to use. This example of the article Mummy Makers shows our lexile score at 1030L and shows that we also have an audio playback feature. This is not a real voice, but it still definitely comes in handy for some of our students. When our students are logged into their Google account, they can save the article to their Google Drive. They can email the article to themselves as well. This website and all mail from it has been whitelisted by our school's filter so that it will save. There are also very easy to use automatically generated citations, which is a fantastic feature for middle school students. Here's an example of citations that were generated by the database. We use MLA citation format at Branciforte Middle School. All they have to do is click copy citation, or they can copy and paste it on their own. Within the SIRS Discoverer database, there are more user-friendly special database features such as animal facts, nonfiction books, country facts, pro-con leading issues, Science Fair Explorer, and Spotlight of the Month to further support the curriculum. These accessible features are accessible for all reading levels, and they continue to support the curriculum while engaging students as they identify content needed for research, homework, and classwork. There are some really cool and engaging ideas for science experiments in Explore a Topic Science Fair Explorer that are interactive and fun-looking. The Pro-Con Leading Issues database offers balanced resources for learning about timely and controversial topics. They give lists of links to articles so that students are able to form their own opinions by reading from both sides of the reporting. The current events articles that are offered are an excellent source of relevant and timely nonfiction as well. As you can see, the Notre Dame Cathedral Fire article was written on April 29th. Today is May 1st, so the turnaround was very short. The Cyclone article is from April 26th, 2019. So both of these are very current and will be engaging for our students. Thank you very much for watching and listening to this presentation on the ProQuest SIRS Discoverer database. Please watch the other videos in this series for more information about how to use the database and your educator resources.